Okay, this is the brief on the August 2025 jobs report. So, wow. This latest report really just dropped a bombshell, completely changing how we see the job market and pretty much forcing the Fed's hand. Any hope for that smooth, soft landing? Yeah, that's looking gone. First off, the jobs numbers themselves. Pretty dismal. And the revisions? Yikes. August non-farm payrolls added only 22,000 jobs. That's way off the 75,000 folks were expecting. And the unemployment rate? It ticked up to 4.3%, the highest it's been since 2021. But here's the real kicker. June's numbers were revised down to a loss of 13,000 jobs. That's the first time we've seen negative job growth since, well, the pandemic back in December 2020. Almost all the growth came from healthcare. Meanwhile, manufacturing, construction, even the federal government, they all shed jobs. And get this, for the first time since before COVID, we now have more people unemployed than actual job openings. That suggests the market isn't just cooling, it might actually be cracking. So, second takeaway, the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, it's pretty much a done deal now. This weakness makes a rate cut a foregone conclusion. Everyone was already betting on a small 0.25% cut. That's 25 basis points. But this report was so weak, it actually puts a bigger 0.5% cut, 50 basis points, on the table. That'd be a major shift, signaling the Fed's moving to like an emergency footing. Plus, wage growth slowed down a bit, which kind of gives the Fed the green light to cut rates without worrying too much about inflation flaring up again. Finally, markets reacted instantly, and we're looking at a new economic reality. Investors rushed into government bonds, pushing yields down. The US dollar took a nosedive. Gold prices, they shot up to record highs. This report signals the end of that strong post-pandemic job growth. We're now in an era where lower, maybe even negative job numbers are more likely. It means everyone needs to adjust for a Fed that's probably going to keep rates lower for longer. Bottom line, the August jobs report has hit the reset button on economic expectations, ushering in a time of lower interest rates and definitely more uncertainty ahead.